All right, you guys, the sauerkraut is done. It smells like really good sauerkraut. Smell it. You just want to inspect it, make sure you don't see any mold on the rim or anything like that, which I don't. And then give it a taste. Ooh, that tastes like sauerkraut. And it's really crunchy too. It's not like fresh cabbage crunchy, but it's not mushy like canned sauerkraut. It's really good. It's cheap, it's easy. Now I can put a lid on this and put it in the fridge, and it'll last me, well, you can technically make it last like 4, maybe more months, but my kids will eat this up probably in the next 2 days. So what you want to do, if you're big sauerkraut fans, make a big batch of it. My plan is to grow a ton of cabbage in the garden this year, so we can make a humongous batch of sauerkraut and ferment that, because then that'll actually last months. So that is it, guys. That is sauerkraut. Super, super easy. Now you don't have to buy it from the store. And there's a lot of other types of vegetables that I've fermented over the last few years, and I will teach you guys how to do those too. Once I get the garden going, I want to ferment a lot of different types of vegetables. I'm also going to preserve them in quite a few different ways as well. So I'll show you that process too. I don't want to buy tons of vegetables from the store to ferment because, in my opinion, they're really expensive right now. I feel like everything, meat, vegetables, obviously eggs, everything is so expensive. So do as much as you can do on your own. There are so many books, even videos online that you can learn from to start doing things yourself. It's not as hard as you think it is. Go make yourself some sauerkraut because it's good for your gut and it's delicious. Peace out, my homestead peeps.